Welcome to the Weather Centre this Sunday. Although it's a cooler day in the Eastern Cape, the hot weather returns on Monday and we're keeping much of South Africa's forecast dry for the start of the week. Let's take a look at the warning issued by the South African Weather Service. Once again, a high fire danger over the eastern half of the Northern Cape due to very hot and dry conditions. In the past 12 hours, it remained cloudy along the southern and southeastern coastline with a bit of drizzle as well. Meanwhile, a lot of the cloud over the central parts cleared overnight, resulting in a sunny start to the day. We're expecting that to change quite quickly this afternoon with a 60% chance of thunderstorms over the eastern and central Free State, northwest and the northeastern parts of the Eastern Cape. There's also a better probability of thunderstorms over southern Gauteng in the vicinity of Soweto and Vereniging, but it's going to stay dry in the west and rain clears quite rapidly along the south coast. On Monday, we're expecting a weak front to approach South Africa. This won't cause any precipitation in Cape Town, and ahead of this cold front, we're expecting very hot conditions over the western interior. A low risk of thunderstorms in the northwest province, Free State as well as the Eastern Cape, but we're keeping the forecast for Gauteng and the Highveld dry. Wind-wise today, light winds over the northern and eastern interior, onshore winds along the southeast coast, average speed of 20 kilometers per hour, while it's a fresh southeaster predicted for Cape Town. Daytime temperatures slightly lower along the southern and southeastern coastline, mid to upper 20s along the southeast coast, 29 degrees in Durban and Bethlehem, 30 in Johannesburg and 40 degrees in Upington. Overnight temperatures remain high over much of South Africa. It's cooler though on the Highveld, Johannesburg with a minimum of 15 degrees, similar to that of Bethlehem. Lower 20s along the east coast and Cape Town and George, both dropping to 18 overnight. Taking a look at the prediction for this Monday afternoon, we're expecting a partly cloudy day in Gauteng, Pretoria reaching a high of 30, very isolated thunderstorms over the central interior, and Cape Town staying mostly sunny with a high of 28. On Tuesday, it will become cooler along the south coast. We're expecting rain once again in George and Port Elizabeth, with thunder showers returning to the eastern half of South Africa.